Hi, kindergarten friends. This is our 3D shapes lesson. And so I have a few clues for you today. I have a triangle, I have a circle, and I have a square. Now these are two-dimensional shapes that are flat. However, we use these two-dimensional shapes to make three-dimensional objects. And objects are things that take up space. So I went on an object hunt around my house and I found, with our magnet toys, a pyramid. I also found a cone on my 3D shape hunt. And I know it's a cone because I've got this shape on the bottom, a circle, and a point on the top. My pyramid was made of triangles and had points on the top and around the base. I found this shape on my 3D shape hunt. It has squares on all sides. Do you know what we call that shape? This is a cube. Also on my 3D shape hunt, I found a pom-pom. It is round, also called a sphere. My 3D shape hunt, I found this bottle of hand sanitizer. It's got a circle on the top and the bottom. The middle is a curved surface. Do you know what that's called? A cylinder. And the last 3D shape I found is a prism, and it is made from rectangles, so I call this a rectangular prism. So these are the 3D objects I found around my house. I want you to go for a 3D shape hunt around your house and see if you can find a pyramid, a cone, a cube, a sphere, a cylinder, and a rectangular prism. Once you've found your 3D objects, I want you to build a ramp. I built a ramp with a box and a whiteboard. And my ramp is going to be used to explore these 3D shapes, just like we did in our kindergarten lesson. I want to know whether my 3D shapes will slide down the ramp, whether they will roll down the ramp. I am also wondering whether my 3D shapes are good for stacking. Now that we have all of our 3D objects from our 3D object hunt, we are ready to start exploring whether our 3D objects roll or slide down the ramp that we made. So we can choose any of our 3D objects. I'm going to start with this cube. The cube has squares on all sides. It has vertices or corners, and it also has faces. When I send my cube down the ramp, my cube slides. It doesn't turn while going down. It stays the same spot while it goes down. I'm going to put my cube in my slide section. Next, I have a cylinder. I see the cylinder has a flat circle face on each end, and then the other surface is round. If I start my cylinder like this, it slides down the ramp because my circle is flat. However, if I put the curved edge on my ramp, then my cylinder rolls down, and I know it rolls because I see it turning. So, does it slide or does it roll? The cylinder does both, so I'm going to put it in the middle. The last one I'm going to try today is a sphere. My sphere has no vertices or points. It is round all over. When I send it down my ramp, I see it turn all the way down. It rolls. So I'm going to put the sphere in the roll pile. I have a cone left. I have a prism. I have a pyramid. I wonder how these objects will move down the ramp. I also wonder how your objects move down the ramp. If you build a ramp and you send down your 3D shapes, you can sort them into roll or slide, or maybe they do both. I also wonder which 3D shapes are good for stacking. So after you're done sorting your 3D shapes into sliding and rolling shapes, I want you to explore with stacking and tell me which shapes, pyramids, prisms, cones, cubes, cylinders, or spheres, which ones are good for stacking? Can you stack some and send me a picture? I can't wait to see what you're sorting and stacking. And I hope to see all of your learning soon. Bye.